Now I would like to call Abdullah from class third to come on stage and enlighten our heart from the pen of Palestinian brother through his speech.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Start by the greatest of name, Almighty Allah, whose Rahman and Rahim, honorable principal and teacher, my dear audience, high-flying star of the Paradise School system, boys and girls, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah. I read in class 3. Today we gather here for annual and farewell party 2026 in this event platform. I would like to pay some attention to our Palestinian brothers. The situation in Palestine is a complex and sensitive issue that has been ongoing for decades. The Israel-Palestine conflict has resulted in significant human suffering, displacement, and a quest for self-determination. The conflict dates back in the early 20th century with the displacement of Palestine in 1948. The territorial disputes including borders, settlement, and Jerusalem's status are major point of contention. Palestine face restriction on movement, access to health care, education, and employment have taken a toll on their daily lives. Their refugees crisis is another processing issue with millions of Palestine displacement and the right of return, a key issue let's survive to be voiced. Understanding and empathy. The current war in Gaza is not an isolated event but is deeply rooted in ongoing colonization. Illegal occupation, system injustices, and historical oppression of Palestine. Apartheid state Israel respectively disregarded the international humanitarian law that human right principle that demand the human protection of civilization, especially its conflict, associate its genocidal attack of Gaza. In the latest indiscriminate bombing of Gaza, Israel has already killed more than 80,000 Palestinians, including at last 40,000 children, displacing as it collectively punishes the Palestinian people. In just 1.5 years, between 2 years, Israel dropped over 60,000 bombs on the Palestine people living under its illegal occupation. Israel has already banned chemical weapons in civilian area. I asked that where are WHO, UNO, and human rights organization? My best beautiful speech, beautiful poetry. खुश्क आंखों में नदीम ख्वाब सजाने के लिए, खुश्क आंखों में नदीम ख्वाब सजाने के लिए मुंतज़िर है तेरे लौट आने के लिए, मुंतज़िर है तेरे लौट आने के लिए। इस कदर जुल्म सितम देखे नहीं जाते, इस कदर जुल्म सितम देखे नहीं जाते। बन के अयूबी उठो जुल्म मिटाने के लिए। May Allah bless this freedom. Thank you so much. Listen carefully.